And as you can see here, we have the structure. Now, let's remove some of the cells so that we could have much interesting structure. We will use something that is called random reduce. And here I will hook up the faces or maybe the cells itself here. And before selecting here we have the list that you want to reduce from. And here you have the reduction. How many number of items do you want to remove? And here the seed that controls the reduction shape, which cells to reduce. So here I will see with a panel first. How many cells do I have here? As you can see, we have 45 cells. I'll put this aside. 45 cells, we can increase the number of cells from here. So 46 instead of 37. And increasing the number of cells here, increase the number of cells in the Voronoi, increasing the points, number of points in the populate geometry or populate 3D, increase the number of cells by default. And here we have 86. So I'm going to, for example, reduce by 40. I'll choose 40 to reduce it. Now you can see I can hook this instead. So as you can see, we have 40 reduced cells, and I will also preview of this so that you can see the structure. And what if I increase the number of reduced cells? And here I can see the seed. I can use the seed to create other shapes. So here I can control these shapes, which want to reduce. And now I can also control here again the number of cells that I can reduce the number of cells here to 54, for example. And here you will find a problem with this element. You will find an error with this component because you have 66 to reduce, but you have only 53 cells. You don't have more than 66. So here I will need to make this number 38, for example. And here you can see the seed creates different structures. So thank you for watching, and wait for more.